Guys, welcome back to another episode of Epic Mealtime. And I'm trying to go fast because they keep interrupting. No, but seriously, welcome back to another episode of Epic Mealtime. And today I'm be making a bacon, cheese, and no, that came out. A bacon cheese omelet with hash browns and on toast. Let's get started. Okay, so first you put your you slop that omelet on the bacon cheese omelet or any meat that you want. Then you put some hash browns. Just pile them on by the pounds. Yeah, and I'm actually doing a double. I'm doing a double, but then because you can actually just do anything. You put in anything you want, and then you put that on top, and there you go. That's the omelet. Okay, see you guys later.